Okay, this is just a quick video to show you where the transmission clutch pressure switches, second transmission clutch pressure switch, and the third transmission clutch pressure switch. Okay, so here you see, first of all, you have to take off the battery and then the air filter housing. So right here I've taken out the battery and its base and everything that concerns the battery stand, and I was also taking out the air hose, the air filter. Okay, here you see that's the battery. Here you see the air hose and then the battery stand. So those are off the way. Now when you go down right at this corner, you see this is the harness, and this right here it has a blue rubber cap. It's blue, so this blue one is the third transmission clutch pressure switch. And then right here, see, under this is the air filter duct, and then below it you see one that is orange in color, orange colored. Yeah, that's it. That one right there is a second transmission clutch pressure switch. The orange is the second, and this other one is the third.